A very good afternoon and a warm welcome to one and all. I invite you all to Kellogg's Breakfast Champs 3 Symposium. Firstly, I would like to begin with apologizing to you all that we kept you waiting. And as I mentioned earlier, we still have few principals who are stuck. Now, I don't have to mention things when I say Mumbai and its traffic, but of course, they are on their way and they might be reaching any time here. But we want to start the program right away. So once again, a very good afternoon and a warm welcome to one and all at Kellogg's Breakfast Champs 3. Breakfast ki sahi shuruaat. That is what the tagline says. And we have a beautiful team today here to make this session a very interactive one for you all. And as principals to all of you, I would also like to thank you all for sparing time from your busy schedule and being a part of this event. My name is Drashti and I'm your host this afternoon. So let us get started. I would want you all to answer my simple question, but before that I would want to share a quick experience that I have here to share it with you. If I had to go back to my school time, and as I remember, if at all there was any outsider faculty member stepping in the school, the first thing that they gave their introduction, and so that I have done the same. The second thing that they always told us was to have a very interactive session. And I strongly believe an interactive session is definitely more interesting and knowledgeable. So I want you to answer this question now for me. So as principal of school, how do you want your students to be? Come on now, let's begin. Anybody who would want to volunteer this answer for me? As principals, I will once again repeat, as principal, what do you want in your students? What do you look into your students to be them an ideal one? A volunteer is here. Anybody who would want to answer can just call upon for the volunteer. All right, come on. Expecting a few quick answers. All right, I have this beautiful lady there. Yes, ma'am. Hi, what's your good name?
My name is Chaya,
All right.
and I want in our children all-round development.
All right, so you want an all-round development. So not only academic-wise, but in extracurricular activities also they should be good at. All right. Anybody else? What do you think? All right, we have ma'am here and we would come next to ma'am here. Okay. Very active. Very nice. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I believe our children should be healthy first, because healthy mind only can, fetch everything for them. When you look at all-round development, when we look at academics, first of all, health is very important for them. And in Indian society, I believe least importance is being given to them when it comes to giving balanced diet, giving nutritive food to them. And we generally see what parents keep sending, just that because they don't have to work in the kitchen early morning, we see dry snacks coming in, packets coming in, which should be avoided.
Very well said, ma'am. May I know your name?
My name is Mrs. Priyanka Mehrotra.
All right, Mrs. Priyanka, this was really very well said and something really very relative to the topic that we are going to discuss today here in today's program. And Kellogg's here will definitely show you how you can make a positive approach in partnering with your kids.
I'll quickly get into my topic for today's short symposium. But before I actually take you through some scientific information that I have with me, I have a couple of questions to ask you. First of all, I know all of you all are here and you're definitely aware that, we are going to be talking about breakfast.
So, India has a population of 365 million in the age group of 10 to 24. Thank you very much.
All right. I would like to thank Mrs. Nadia, of course, and Shalini for taking us through Kellogg's Breakfast Champs 3 Symposium. And as we say, बड़े सपनों की शुरुआत team breakfast के साथ, and this was our team breakfast here, and who are always happy to help and connect with you all. And I'm sure Kellogg's, will be successful in creating these healthy breakfast eating schedule amongst the children. And on having said that, I would of course want to thank all you dear principals for your active participation in today's program. And if there is anything that you want to know, of course, both of our representatives are right here. They are always happy to help you and to connect with you, as I mentioned earlier. And yes, having said this, we also come towards the end of the program here. Do we have any feedback or any common questions that running in your mind? You can definitely come upon your question. We would have Mrs. Nadia and Mrs. Shalini to answer all your queries and questions. Anybody here who would like to talk or share feedback and also can come up with a query? Anybody? Any quick thoughts running into your mind? Come on. I'm sure you have good speakers there. Yes, we have a lady up there. Can I have another mic here with Mrs. Nadia?
Hello, I am Pooja. In our school, we have different timings for the higher secondary and for the primary students.
All right. Thank you, ladies, for sharing in your thoughts. And I'm really very glad, like how ma'am said, and the last table ma'am also said, that schools as an organization, I'm very glad, in fact the team should be very glad that schools have also come up with these programs to inculcate healthy eating habits amongst children. And ladies, your thoughts are really great, but why are the gentlemen so quiet? Don't you have any questions? All right, we have somebody there. Yes, sir, you can absolutely speak in Hindi.
In helping a child to progress or changing the mindset of the country, as we saw so many benefits, so we can definitely take small baby steps to, approach this.
All right. सबसे पहले शुक्रिया सर कि आपने अपने विचार हमारे साथ शेयर किए. Yes, कुछ हकीकत है ऐसी. And as ma'am also mentioned कि कोई change, it's not happening overnight. And maybe that is the sole reason today we here as Team Breakfast want you all to understand, and individually, because जैसे sir ने बोला कि many of us, we also fail to do the same at times. So why don't we pledge ourselves first? So it is basically individual. So we learn as an individual, and you teachers, you principals have a direct access to such a mass audience, especially kids and parents being a part of it. तो I think ये बात हमें सबसे पहले समझनी चाहिए, and साथ ही once when we know about it, once when we are thorough about it, of course we can spread on the message on such a huge mass. And I think वही हमारा उद्देश्य रहा है सर, और I think I hope कि नादिया मैम ने आपके सारे विचारों का समर्थन, कुछ बातों का नहीं हुआ, लेकिन I hope कि आप satisfied है सर कि नहीं है ऑलराइट. तो अभी हम खाना डेफिनेटली खाएंगे. ऑलराइट, ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी था कि आर यू नाउ satisfied with the answers or you still have something running in your mind? Alright, so shall we conclude with this? Anybody else who would want to speak? Yes ma'am, I think आप कुछ बोलना चाह रही थी when sir was speaking. Could I please ask the volunteer to get a quick mic? जी. Right.
तो मैं भी काट सकता
Sir, yes. Wow.
भोजन तैयार करेंगे तो हम नहीं कर सकते, ब्रेकफास्ट पे भी नहीं होगा. वाइफ होना जरूरी नहीं है.
करेक्ट सर कह रहे हैं वाइफ होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. सर आप बैक स्टेज मुझे मिलिएगा. All right, thank you all, and yes, this is a hope from Kellogg's Breakfast Champs 3 Symposium that you all will take a pledge and always remember what you went through in today's Power of Breakfast session. And yes, hoping for the best, and I wish Kellogg's also all the very best. The mission is great in inculcating children having great, healthy eating habits, and we also hope that you parents, you teachers, you principals will also support us, give us a helping hand to reach this mission amongst the kids. And yes, not wasting more time, let us now break for lunch. Thank you all for joining us up here. Once again, this is Anchor Drashti Vajar signing off. Thank you, have a nice day.